Hello, children. Today we are going to hear a story, a fair to remember. I am sure each one of you must be having fond memories of going to a fair. At Cuttack, most of us must have visited the famous fair Balijatra. Well, now let me narrate to you the story of Fair to Remember. The great fairground was crowded with people. Colorful buntings and flags fluttered about in the wind everywhere. The stalls were full of goods, fruits from beyond the mountains, sparkling jewels from across the seas, and fine porcelain vessels from China. The children joined a crowd of people around a juggler. He was juggling several colorful balls. Near the juggler sat a fortune teller. Do you think he can tell me when I go home again? Whispered a stranger standing close to Dev. He spoke with a funny accent. It was a boy not much older than Dev, but he looked and dressed very differently from the others at the fair. Where is your home? Asked Dev. Are you lost? I am from Arabia and my name is Hasim, said the boy. So, children, you can see in the picture Hasim, he is from Arabia. So, you can see how he looked different from the other children from his dress. So, that boy said, I am from Arabia and my name is Hasim. So, the boy with the red color dress, his name is Hasim, and the three children opened their eyes wide. Children, you can see the three children in the slide, two boys and one girl. So, children, now Hasim is telling his story how he reached this place. So, first is that I have heard it on the other side of the ocean. Do they speak our Kannada there too? Asked Chalana. Oh no, we speak Arabic, but I have been here so long that I have learned your language. Because the children were thinking that everywhere they speak Kannada. Because the children have not gone anywhere out, so they think that everywhere this language Kannada is spoken. But this Hasim told, no, he has come from Arab, so the language they speak there is Arabic. But he is here for so long, so he has learned the language Kannada. Then how now he is narrating how he has reached this place. Now Dave is asking, how did you reach here? Then Hasim answered, my father is a horse merchant's agent. He delivers horses to the kings and noblemen in his country. So he came here with his father and he was very excited to come here to a new place and learn the trade. Now Hasim wanted to go back to his country because he is missing his friends, brothers and sister. So the three children, that is the Chalana, Dev and Gangama, they said that we will be your friend. Hasim took his three new friends to his father's stall. It was a separate section of the ground. There were horses on one side and elephants on the other. Amid the noise of the animals, they could hear the sounds of many different languages. The children also patted the lovely horses. Can we ride them? Asked Dev. Oh no, these are war horses, very quick and sharp. Even I won't dare, though I learned to ride before I walked, laughed Hasim. Is this how you travel? Dev asked. No, we ride camels mostly, like you ride bullock carts here, said Hasim. Now you must eat something that comes from my land. He offered, so Hasim offered them sweet, juicy dates. And this is something of our land that you must have if you haven't already, said Chalana. stopping at a sweet stall. She gave Hasim hot jalebi served in leaf cups washed down with sweet, thickened milk rich with pistachios and almonds. Hasim had it with great delight. So, children, remember we should make friends, we should be cordial, and children, when we make friends, we should help and share with each other. Thank you.